Welcome back. Now we're going to do bracket. You can get the dimension from the driver's link that I just shared with you in the detail. Okay, the first one, we start with the circle with the radius, with the diameters of 60, and then I drew a line. Okay, later this will be union with the circle. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, this circle and those boxes will have the same extrude length of 12. Okay, next afterward I draw one more box. Okay, the box will be extrude a bit lower with a distance of 6. Okay, so now I extrude the circle. So change it to 2D wireframe to get the visual under the cylinders. Then extrude the small box in a distance of 12. Okay, so we're going to union those two. Okay, for this one, I cannot select the line underneath the box or the rectangles box, so I move it a bit, then I join it again for the big square behind. Okay, for this one, it will be extruded in a distance of 6, which is the thickness is a bit less. Then I move again the smaller rectangles to its position. I do another rectangles where this one will be extruded with a distance of 13 plus 6. Okay, I do a bit mistake on this one, just bear with the video. I would like you to see how I edit my mistake later. Okay, this is the first step where I put it 13. It's supposed to be add up with the distance 6, but I don't add it up. So that's I union all. Mistake's already been done. I need to change it later. On the other hand, I just realized it later. I do the box, another box, to draw a bigger or a longer extrude box. Okay, this one will be extruded in a distance of 55. Okay, but those 55 based on the diagram, okay, it need to be minus with the 6. Okay, so 55 minus 6 is around 49. Okay, so I extrude it in a distance of 49. This is where I realize, if I'm not mistaken, oh no. Okay, so we do the circle first, but to construct a circle, I change the UCS, construct the circle at the centers with the diameters of 40, and yet the shape of the circle need to be moved a bit to the right, align with the box like that. And after that, I'm just extrude with a distance of 60. And then I union those cylinders and also the box together with the structures down below. I do another small circle to create a hollow with the same distance of 60, extrude and apply subtract. Again, apply subtract. In this video, during this time I already realized that the distance is not follow the dimension. So I'm do press pull. Okay. But when I press pull, I think the length is a bit longer. So I need to do my calculation again. We need to make sure it fit up half of a circle with the radius of 13. So I do some measurement. The distance of 13 is not exactly touch the surface, a lower ground surface. So total of that is actually 19. I do again press pull to reduce the length of the block. But before that, I apply slice. Okay. You guys may learn slice is used to separate two things. Okay, but I do slice for editing. So there's multiple of slicing. And up, I just realized slice also is not a method that's suitable to be applied. Make it faster. Okay, you can skip this part. I union it all again and I apply press pull. Okay, for you to edit surface height, okay, you just need to click press pull and you go downward. Okay, then that I get with a distance of 13, so I already have an exact drawing shown as in the dimension. So I draw circle, extrude with a distance of 12, and then subtract the big piece with the small cylinders, and that is the shape that I required. Then I do the diameters 16 circle and create the cylinders, extrude it down below and apply subtract to create a hollow structure. So one more hollow part is located at the side of the modeling, okay, with a distance of 15, and from the bottom the length is 12. So I drew line and try to find out intersection to get the distance of the center point for the circle. I draw a circle with the diameters of 10 and extrude it upward. Extrude it inwards with a distance of 60, and I apply subtract. And this is the last part where we need to cut down, okay, the top areas. We need to construct a box facing the top, okay, and we will make the box emerge to the top structures, then we subtract it. So I draw a reference line, which is the thickness will be 7.5, and then I put out a layout on the front, okay, down below to 42, okay, and then the distance will be 60 minus 7.5 plus 7.5, which is around 55. I'm calculate personally. Okay, and then after that I get the 55, I move back upward for 42 and close as a box. From the box I join and I extrude. Okay, so I already get the box over here. I join all the line and I'm extrude it, okay, across the thing. And check again, it is have a left of modeling. Okay, then I just do another press pull to make sure the height will be really cutting down all the structures of the bracket. Okay, after we already have this kind of structures, same method I apply, subtract. Okay, and the last part will be a hole that being placed at the centers. Okay, delete all the reference line if you can. If you cannot do now, you can do it later. I draw a reference line from there, which is the centers, towards the inner part with a distance of 15. And then I take circles. I do circle at the end point with the diameters of 18. Okay, again extrude the circles with the length of 150, and then I subtract. Okay, this one is the last part where we need to cut through the bottom areas of the bracket. Distance of 40. I click everything and join, move it to the center. And then extrude across the bracket. And next, subtract, and we done our 3D modeling. Try to move the modeling on the other side so we can detect all the reference line that we are not going to use it anymore. Delete the line and you can check the modeling structures of a bracket. And now we are finished. Good luck for you to apply or